Well, hello everybody. Danny Wanda back from Pecan Grove. Yes, it's another seriously bad rainy day. And Wanda and I went out this morning and picked the Cherokee yellow wax beans. And we pulled carrots and everything. And well, it's flooding down, raining outside. And I'm sitting in here snapping beans. Miss Wanda's been in the outdoor kitchen taking care of the carrots out there. As promised, we told you we would announce the winner of the retractable VEGO garden hose. And guys, a lot of deserving people out there, you know. I wish there was some way I could do more, you know, but I do want to thank VEGO for at least making this one available for us to give away. That says a lot to me about a company. When the company contacts you and says they want to do this for our subscribers. So after much looking and praying and going back through everything, the winners for the VEGO retractable hose would be Terry and Dave Welch. Y'all have, I don't know, maybe till tonight, because we announced that it would be Tuesday, you know, that we would announce the winner. Okay, today is Tuesday the 16th. If we have not heard from Miss Terry and Mr. Dave by tomorrow morning, then we will pick another winner, because we had mentioned that, you know, you had to be an active watcher to be able to win. So I would like to take this opportunity also to wish all the fathers out there happy Father's Day. And if you're not a winner and you're still interested, which Wanda and I are going to go ahead and purchase us another one, there will be a link in the description down below that you can go check the link out and order your VEGO retractable hose there. Now this is a 130-foot one, which has made our life here at Pecan Grove so much easier. With the three we have, we see the potential, because we try to keep as much of our garden stuff right around our house here within a 130-foot radius as we can. And we have them strategically placed so that we can use them. And we realized the high tunnel is 60-something feet long, and we're going to get us another one to put in the high tunnel, because right now, if y'all go back and watch our videos, the garden hose is laying all down through the high tunnel, and we walk through there, you're tripping up on it in your feet because you're going between the raised beds and everything. It's just not a safe thing the older you get, and it's out of the way, you know. So that's what we like about it the most. When we get ready to mow the yard, we don't have to roll up no hoses and all that kind of stuff. We can just, and it's not out in the sun deteriorating. You know, the hoses are all wrapped up. I will say this: if you live in an area where it gets really cold and freezes really bad during the wintertime, these VEGO garden hoses are made where when you drain the water out of the hose, you can pick them up off this thing that mounts on the side of the building. You can pick them up and you can take them in and put them in somewhere where they won't freeze, and keep them until all danger of freezing is gone, and you can bring them back and stick them back on the thing. We have done that numerous times. And they also make a cover. If you don't use yours on a regular basis, there is a potential for some kind of critter to get up in there, I suppose. Maybe a little bird wants to build a nest in there. Maybe a wasp wants to build a nest in there or something. They do make covers to go over them if you want that. So might want to check that out also. So, okay, Miss Terry and Mr. Dave Welch, you got till Wednesday morning, the 17th, to contact us. Thank you guys from Pecan Grove.